Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today I'll be learning how to refer Temu app to someone, and now let's dive right in. Now to refer Temu app, first open up your Temu app on your phone, and after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen and you land over here where at the top right corner you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option at the top right corner of the screen. And on this interface at the bottom side, guys, you can see there is the share this app option available for us just above the switch accounts. Now in order to refer the Temu app, let's tap on the share this app and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to send a link of the Temu app to your desired social media platform, or you can just copy link, guys. So in order to proceed, I'll be just copying the link. To do that, tap on the copy link button at the bottom left corner of the screen, and after it says copied successfully, you can paste that link anywhere you like. So for example, I'll be just copying and pasting that link on a new note. So guys, just create a note and let's paste it over here, and you can see, guys, the refer code or the referral link has been pasted over here. Similarly, you can send this referral link to anybody to your social media app and they will be able to download that Temu app from the link. And with that being said, guys, this is how to refer Temu app, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.